Hi, as you saw in our last video, why we use AutoCAD for design and detailing, what are the benefits and what are the applications of AutoCAD. Now in this video we will see about the graphical user interface of AutoCAD. So as you can see, this is the screen of AutoCAD. So here on the screen, if you will see on the top left corner, you will find the draw toolbar. By this draw toolbar we can draw anything in AutoCAD like line, polyline, circle, rectangle, arc, etc. Just on top left corner, this toolbar is called quick access toolbar because by this toolbar we can get command quickly. So if you want to open any new file, or you want to create a new file, or you want to save or save as and want to print any file, so by this quick access toolbar you can do this all things very easily. So after this is a modify toolbar. By this modify toolbar we can modify anything which we have drawn using draw toolbar, like we can use copy, rotate, mirror, scale, fillet, chamfer, etc. After this, if you will see just on top on the middle, this is called title bar. This command represents the software version, drawing name and the extension name of the file. As you can see that my file name is drawing1 and the extension of file is .dwg. So .dwg is here AutoCAD file extension name. So as we know that every file has a extension file name, like .pdf, that is a document file, .xlx, .dox, .ppt, .ppt is a PowerPoint file, .mp3 is a audio file, .mp4 is a video file. So same, if any file has extension .dwg, it means that is AutoCAD file. So after this, if you consider all the entire row, this is called ribbon toolbar. We can customize this toolbars as per ourselves. Next is on lower left corner, this is uses icon. Uses icon is user coordinate system. By using this icon we can find any coordinate point in the drawing. And after that, this is viewport. Viewports is useful when we take printouts, or by using this we can make drawings on the layout. So next is, this is command prompt. When we use any command, and command prompts guide us what to do next. So after picking circle command, it will ask us about to define center point and the radius of circle. So after this, next is status toolbar. In status bar in left side you will find first the coordinates, and next the drafting setting toolbar. We use drafting setting toolbar as our own choice. When we make any drawing, then many options from drafting settings we choose as per our requirement. And on right side status bar, we can see the scale, drawing scale or workspace settings. So this is all about the graphic user interface in AutoCAD. Thank you.